Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another crochet video for you. I thought I would show you what I've made in the past week. So what I'm about to show you, it just took me a week to make. I'm getting a little better and a little better and a little quicker. If you don't know, I started crocheting January 1st. So this is the middle of March and I enjoy it so much. I miss it when I'm not crocheting. So after I finish filming and editing my videos, I am going to go back to crocheting. I've got another project in mind next. So I thought I would show you what I've made. This first thing I made it from a pattern from Etsy. I've ordered some patterns from Etsy and they're hit or miss. I think I'm going to be more selective about what I might purchase. But this turned out really cute. I would do a couple things different next time, and I do believe there will be a next time. But here it is. It's a little ducky with a flower on her head. I think she turned out pretty cute. She is a quicker make. She's not quick by any means. Nothing I make seems to be quick. I'll see people's videos where they crank out 8 octopus in an hour, but they're like that big and they're using huge yarn, and I nothing against those things. I don't like the crochet amigurumi that is made with the big chunky yarn. I don't care for those. I like more detail. I think being an artist, the artist in me likes more detail than just kind of, but that's just me. If you do those, you do crochet and you like those big chunky ones, then that's good for you. But it's not good for me if I want to go into doing markets, because mine take me a while and would cost a lot of money to sell. I am going to sell on my Etsy shop, and I hope to one day be able to start going to markets and selling at markets. But I think what I sell at the markets will be totally different than what I sell in my Etsy store, because I'm going to put more ornate things to sell on Etsy. But anyway, that's for a conversation down the road. I'm nowhere near going to do a market, because right now this is the first thing I would sell at my market. Other things I've made, I would put, and I will put in my Etsy shop. But this girl, love it. I love it. I want to do more of these. I'm going to wait to do them though, because I'm having fun trying new patterns and trying new things. But anyway, she doesn't have a name. She needs a name. And oh, by the way, I had 2 recommendations for my bunny. Bunny is Belinda Happy. Or Happy Belinda. Happy Belinda Bunny. Bunny or Belinda Happy Bunny. She's got 2 names. She's like a girl in the South. Happy Belinda, hyphenated. Happy Belinda, the bunny. Yeah. And I know I got family. I got a nephew, John Griffith. You don't say John, you don't say Griffin, because now I have a great nephew named Griffin, but it's John Griffin. You know, Mary Sue, Mary Lynn. Mary Lynn was my babysitter growing up. It's a Southern thing. So yeah, that's Happy Belinda, the bunny. Yeah, she's Southern. Just like me. And there we go. So I think this is so cute. I'm going to set it back. This will be sold. If anybody's interested in it, you can contact me. I haven't put a price on her yet. But she will be sold at market when I go and do a market, unless somebody wants her ahead of time. But there we go. I'm going to set her back here. Now, these next ones are what I call more ornate, more detailed. I'm pleased with every one of them. I'm going to start with this one. This one is Living With Me. This one I wanted. I don't need all these crocheted animals, and I'm not going to keep them all. But this one, I wanted it. And this is Benedict the Shrew. Benedict, that's his name in the book the pattern book. The rest of these came out of books. This one was in the book Amigurumi Treasures 2. That's where the pattern come from this book right here. And this is Benedict the Shrew, and he likes to watch Sherlock on television while eating his popcorn. I love the hat. And look what I did. Do you see what I did? I did that. I made it plaid. It's called tapestry crocheting, and it's not easy. It was a little fiddly in the beginning, but I got it. And look, he's got a little bit of plaid on his cape. I did it. But I wanted to do this guy. He's a little crooked. I wanted him, and so Benedict is staying with me. He's going to live with me. I may do another one of these, maybe if somebody requests one. He took some time. He took a while. I haven't timed anything. I sit and crochet for a while. I'll stop. I might stop and watch something on TV, and next thing you know, I'm like, oh, I was crocheting. Let me crochet a little bit more. I can't watch TV and crochet. I can listen and crochet. But I don't really keep up with the time. But I know he took over a week, but that's not straight crocheting. So I'm not sure how long he actually took. But it took a while. He took a while. Next one I made. This is so cute. I got this book, Sweet Crochet Animals. And there's some more in here. You're going to see more out of these books. I think I'm going to start doing book reviews. That's why I'm not really getting into the books right now. But I made a hamster. Look at her. Isn't she cute? I am going to be listing her in my Etsy shop when I list. I do want to do some sort of decoration on her sweater here. I don't know what yet. I haven't been able to get to my embroidery thread. So I don't know if I want to embroider on it. She's not quite finished because she will have some sort of embellishment on her sweater before I list her in my Etsy shop. But, oh, her head's just a little crooked. Her head has to be sewn onto her body, and it is so hard to do that and keep them aligned. I've seen people use like crochet hooks, or they're not hooks, not crochet hooks, knitting needles to kind of hold them. I might have a pair of knitting needles. I think I might in my stash of stuff I've got to dig out, but might hold her head straight if I did that. But it's okay. She's looking off a little bit, looking into the distance. Yeah, I think she turned out so stinking cute. So here we go. Little hamster. She doesn't have a name. I'll give her a name at some point. And then this one I finished last night. This one I don't plan to ever make again. It was also out of this book right here. The reason I don't plan to make this one again, oh my word, the sewing. I don't like sewing pieces on. Most people don't. It's hard. But this one was extra hard. And let me show you. It is a seahorse. Now, if I would make this again if somebody wants it, but yeah, it takes a lot. This one takes a lot because you make the body. The body's one piece, then the head, then the snout, then the mane, and the collar, and all the fins, and then you have to sew up his tail, curl it up, his or her. I don't know if this is a boy or a girl. I don't know. It's a they. Okay? Yeah. They. So there we go. How cute. Very cute. But man, oh man, oh man. Just look at this mane. And just, oh my. Yeah. Took a lot on this one. I will say, I did go to a thrift store, a Goodwill, in the last few weeks, and this color yarn, this skein, I picked up at Goodwill, dirt cheap. It was like 50 cents, and it made this all the main body parts of this guy, and there's still yarn left over. So I think that was a pretty good buy. Yeah, I do. So there we go. That's everything. I'm very pleased at where I'm at now. This one will be sold. Has to have a name. I'll have to come up with a name. This one will be listed. And of course, reach back here. The duck is definitely for sale. And then Benedict is going to stay with me. So that's it. That's everything I crocheted in a week. I'm getting ready to sit down and start a new piece that looks so cute. I can't wait to make it. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. I am mainly a beauty channel, but I'm slowly transitioning over to being an everything channel. Just whatever that I like. It's a Patricia channel is what it's going to be. It's going to have crochet. It may have some cooking. It may have some travel. You don't know what you're going to get. It's all going to be about me. Anyway, so guys, if you are new, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.